Welcome to this challenge to find a partner. Love is when two people's energies sync and vibrate as one. Their energies intertwine, forming a spiral that gradually closes into a circle. We each have a unique frequency, attracting those with similar vibrations. We can also connect with those whose frequencies complement, not mirror ours. Listen to this daily until you find a partner and build a healthy relationship. First, let's clear negative perceptions about yourself, age, looks, and status. We'll erase limiting beliefs from culture, family, education, and personal views. Let's erase the lingering effects of past relationships based on feelings of unworthiness and inadequacy. We'll clear physical and emotional traumas from previous unhealthy relationships. We're removing non-physical limitations from past relationships in this life and others. Let's eliminate all negative energy from past relationships, including abuse, bad memories, and betrayals. We'll neutralize your past relationship experiences. We're erasing the misconception that you need to find someone who loves you. I'm empowering you to find someone you can love, who's ready to receive love healthily. Will strengthen your ability to feel, perceive, and intuit who you can and should love, and who to avoid to prevent negative experiences. Will erase the built-up effects of hopelessness, lack of faith, and trust that you can find someone to love in a healthy, functional way, and that this person can reciprocate your feelings as well. Will boost your sense of deserving love, joy, and pleasure. Will enhance your self-perception, recognizing your immense value, so you become selective with your time and love. Will reinforce the feeling that you're important, so you won't accept someone showing immaturity, aggression, or inconsideration. We're increasing this in every cell, your central nervous system, and all 5 parts of your brain. We also enhance the microbody, quantum particles, atoms, molecules, cells, and the macrobody, tissues, organs, systems, and structures. We amplify all these energies in a total, complete, and permanent manner. Let's boost acceptance that you're enough for a relationship, attractive to someone who resonates with you energetically. Will remove misconceptions that your physical, economic, academic, or social status prevents finding a worthy partner. Will erase the debilitating energy stemming from your parents' relationship dynamics. Will delete all memories of mistreatment, abuse, heartbreak you've witnessed, and erase recollections of betrayal, abandonment, rudeness, apathy, and humiliation you've seen, and that you've been unconsciously programmed to repeat the same story over and over. Let's erase the misconception that all men or all women are the same. We'll remove the false idea that a partner must care for, provide for, solve your problems, or always be with you. Seeking a partner from a place of lack will start the relationship on shaky ground. Will empower you to let go, release, become independent, forgive, and protect yourself. Let's forget expectations about meeting someone at a specific time, place, or with certain traits. Will strengthen your intuition to recognize the right person when the time is perfect for you. Will clear away misconceptions and false beliefs about starting a new relationship. Will prepare you to be open to both romantic and non romantic possibilities, to be ready for fast or slow pacing, whatever feels right, to be prepared to find someone or to be content on your own, and to be comfortable whether you're in a relationship or single. Will boost your energy, joy, and fulfillment to attract a like minded partner. Let's empower you to live happily and calmly while waiting for the right person. Remember, you'll find someone who resonates with your energy. The best you can do is focus on raising your vibration for a better experience. This channel will help you strengthen and elevate your vibration. Will empower you to accept and recognize that it's absolutely possible, strong to increase your capacity for pleasure, strong to boost your ability to achieve, enjoy, and find joy, strong to set boundaries for yourself and others, strong to radiate stability and peace, strong to decline options that don't align with you, strong to wait for the right moment without wavering. Will erase all weakening emotions and reactions caused by waiting. Will remove sorrow, shame, sadness, and despair from being single. Let's eliminate the misconception that being single is a failure, disadvantage, or something to be ashamed of. Will build your strength to handle pressure from others about your relationship status. Will help you stay neutral towards those who are pleased you're single and confident at events solo. Will boost your physical abilities to tackle challenges, enhancing your energy for future relationships. Will develop your mind, body, and spirit to elevate your vibration for a better love experience. Let's strengthen your mindset to improve your physical appearance. Remember, you can and should focus on constant self-improvement. This won't just help you find a partner, but will open up other opportunities in your life. It's not about changing who you are, but about cultivating an energy of continuous growth. Be strong enough to accept that you need to take care of yourself, exercise, eat better, and make wise financial choices. This prevents starting relationships from a place of self-neglect or disinterest in your own well-being. Will empower you to set personal goals and challenges, helping you find a partner from a place of commitment and self-confidence. Remember, a fulfilling life in all aspects reduces the desperate need to be with someone. Will strengthen you to sense and understand the emotional, mental, spiritual, and physical aspects you can improve. Will empower you to act on these improvements, seek help from the right people, and commit to bettering your self-relationship. Remember, this channel also offers resources to strengthen your relationship with yourself. Let's distinguish between loneliness and desolation. We'll clear the confusion between these energies from 0 to infinity 100% of the time indefinitely. We'll make you strong and neutral, feeling equal or not, different or not. Change or no change, perception or not, be strong to erase, free, liberate, forgive, protect, and forget the old you, your old behaviors, and limiting beliefs unconditionally. Be strong to accept, admit, and eliminate your weakening, destructive, and self sabotaging inner dialogue. Be strong for all possibilities, invincible and inevitable. Be strong for all possibilities, invincible and inevitable. Be strong for all possibilities, invincible and inevitable. Let's strengthen the inner dynamics, outer dynamics, internal boundaries, external boundaries, and the vertices of all geometries we work on in this strengthening, also your geometric foundations, those of your future partner, and those of the relationship between you both. Let's strengthen it to 100% infinite co-potential, 100% of the time, with infinite time. Let's erase all that hinders, limits, delays, or blocks this erasure with all traces and remnants. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, with infinite time. Will send the mind in your cells, atoms, molecules, and quantum particles about relationships or being single to other universes, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, black holes and wormholes of the universe and other unknown places. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, and readjust your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel now? The same or different?